Mr. Nez here from World Famous Foods. Today, pork shoulder steaks in the oven. Let's cook. Okay, so we're gonna put some potatoes in our baking pan. All right, and we're gonna season our potatoes with some Cajun seasoning. You guys can use whatever seasonings you want, but you know, we figure we use some Cajun, why not? It's a new year, we're doing everything different. Should we coat all these? Okay, now we wait for the next step. Okay, now we're gonna add our pork steaks to our potatoes. Look at this, folks. Look at this. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna put some Worcestershire sauce, however you say it, the W sauce. That. Got some garlic, and just place the garlic around here, get that aroma. And we're going to place some onions on here too. Okay. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of curry powder on top of this too. Why not, huh? Why not? New year, new stuff. And now we're gonna put some olive oil. Then we're gonna bake this in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. That's 350 Fahrenheit. All right, it's been over 45 minutes. Let's check. Potatoes. Oh yeah, potatoes are good. Look at it. Okay. Here we are, folks. Our world famous foods. Pork shoulder steak in the oven. Time to enjoy. Okay, folks. Here's our finished product. World famous foods. Pork shoulder steak and potatoes. All done in the oven. World famous.